Hello everybody. Welcome back to another video. So first of all, check your settings. Go to output and check the video bitrate. If the number is high, the video quality will be high too, but if you don't know how it works, you shouldn't touch it. The same goes for the audio bitrate. Make sure that your videos are stored in the place you want them by changing the recording path. Also, don't forget to change the video file format to what you want. In my case, this is MP4. Now go to audio. If you change the channels to mono, the sound will be in both ears the same. When changed to stereo, you can have a different sound in your two ears. As example, when a car passes, you will hear the sound louder in the ear that is facing the car. Below that, we select which audio source of your PC should be used. In my case, I have only one speaker, but if you have more, make sure to select the right one. You are also able to record more than one speaker at a time. If you have a microphone, you can select. If you have more than one microphone, you can select them below to record them at the same time. Now go to video. Choose the resolution and the frame rate that Open Broadcaster software should record with. To start recording, create a new scene by clicking the plus button. Also create a new source by clicking the other plus button. If you want to record the game, click Game Capture. If your game is in full screen, you can leave the setting. But if you have multiple full screen applications, this can give a problem. So it's better to select Capture Specific Window. Now you should select your game. If you don't want your cursor to be recorded, check off Capture Cursor. If you did everything, you are ready to hit that Start Recording button. If you want to record everything that is on your screen, even when you switch windows, you should select Display Capture. In case that you have more than one display, select the one you wish to record. If you don't want your cursor to be recorded, check off the Capture Cursor box. By adjusting the slider of the sound, you can make the sound quieter or turn it off. You can resize your video by dragging the ends of your video, or you can move it by dragging it. Once you are ready, hit the lock to fix the video at that place. If you don't want to see the screen, you can click on the eye. If you only want to record your microphone, click Audio Input Capture and select the microphone that you want to record. If you want to record a specific browser, click Browser. In the URL window, type the site that you want to record. Adjust the settings to your preference. If you want to interact with the website, right-click on your source you just have made and select Interact. Now you can use the website while Open Broadcaster software records it. If you want to record a specific video on your PC, select Media Source and search for the file on your computer. You can also adjust the playback speed with the slider. As proof that this is actually a video and not the game that is open, you can see that the launcher is updating, but the game isn't open. In Open Broadcaster software, you are also able to transform your video. Right-click and select Transform. And then as example, flip horizontal. To get it again normal, select Reset Transform. You can also add multiple video inputs and resize them. If you want that a video is being displayed in front of the other one, drag the source up in your Sources tab. Thanks for watching, and until next time.